How to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So if you want to fix an update is required to use cellular data on your iPhone, then the first solution is to refresh your mobile network. For that, you need to open up your settings application and toggle on the airplane mode for a few seconds. Once you wait for a few seconds, turn this off. This will refresh your network connection. Second solution is to reinsert your SIM card. Removing and reinserting your SIM card can resolve network issues. For that, you need to first power off your iPhone and then use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait for a few seconds, then reinsert it again. And now you can check your issue, it might be solved. But if that doesn't, then you need to contact your carrier. If the issue still persists, you need to open up any browser that you're comfortable with and go with customer care. Check if there are any issues with your account or plan that may require update or further troubleshooting. Now that you've completed these 3 steps, you should be able to fix the update is required to use cellular data on your iPhone. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.